Hello friend, today I have taken one topic from economy. The name of the topic is Sovereign Wealth Fund. What is Sovereign Wealth Fund? Sovereign Wealth Fund are investment fund set up by sovereign state or country. Through this fund, the state or country make the strategic investment in other countries. This strategic investment may be in natural resources or in advanced technology. According to International Monetary Fund, the cumulative wealth of sovereign wealth fund may top around $12 trillion by 2015. Though sovereign wealth funds are valuable source of international credit, they have raised fears in many world capitals that they might use their financial clout for political and strategic ends. For example, Russia had launched sovereign wealth fund recently. Russia has a record of manipulating gas supplies to Europe to promote its political interest. So, through this example, we can understand the fear among the other countries regarding this sovereign wealth fund. Similarly, China has heavily invested in mineral-rich countries, particularly Africa, that have often turned predatory and neo-colonial. Sovereign wealth fund adopted a set of norms developed by International Monetary Fund called Santiago Principles, which included better disclosure and commitment to invest purely on economic criteria. SDFC Chairman Deepak Parekh is a strong supporter of sovereign wealth fund. Our foreign exchange reserves are invested in foreign currencies like dollar, pound or euro, where current rate of interest is 1 to 2%. So, there is no harm in allocating a small share of our reserves to buy commodities including oil and share of commodity companies. Deepak Parekh says that even if 1% of India's forex of around $450 billion is invested, it would be a good start to launch India's sovereign wealth fund. Thank you for watching my video.